Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today we are going to see how to sew a facing to a sleeveless top. Here are the pieces of my top, the front and back of the top and the front and back of the facing. I lay the facing front onto the top front, right sides together. I'm going to stitch the armholes, stopping a few centimeters from the end of the straps. I will sew the neck edge in the same manner, stopping before as well the end of the straps. I will repeat the same step for the back top and the back facing. I snip the seam allowance along the curves and the angles. I turn it right side out and I press. Now I will pass the back into the front, making sure the top's front and back are facing right sides together. I need to make sure to match the fabric and the facing shoulder edges, and then I will pin. Then I stitch them together. I will gently pull the strap through to expose the shoulder seam completely. I will lay the seam allowance flat and align the front and facing seams together and finish by stitching up the sides of the strap, making sure not to stitch the layers inside. I do the same for the left side. Then I can turn the top right side out and I press. To finish, I stitch the sides of the top. And our facing is done. Thanks for watching.